Transpiration, this is the process of loss of water from the leaf surface. That means excess water gets evaporated from the surface of leaves in plants. So the water which is in excess, that means sometimes not all the water that plants absorb is used by them. यानी जितना water जरूरी नहीं कि plants absorb कर रहे roots के through, वो सारा water वो use कर लेते हैं. So they need to get rid of the excess water. तो अब जो excess water उनके पास, अब now that is waste for them. They need to get rid of that water. उन्हें उससे छुटकारा पाना जरूरी हो जाता है. And this loss of water in plants takes place through the process of transpiration. और ये जो excess water है उससे छुटकारा पाने यानी उसको अपनी body से बाहर निकालते हैं plants transpiration के process से, in which the water evaporates in the atmosphere through the stomata present on the leaves. क्या होता है इस प्रोसेस में? जो एक्सेस वाटर है वो उनके लीफ सरफेस से इवेपोरेट हो जाते हैं इनटू द एटमॉस्फेयर. एंड व्हाट इज देयर इन देयर लीव्स? दैट इज स्टोमेटा. क्या होता है उनकी लीव्स में? स्टोमेटा इज प्रेजेंट इन द लीव्स व्हिच आर एक्चुअली द टाइनी पोर्स. बहुत छोटे छोटे छेद जैसे होते हैं थ्रू व्हिच एक्सेस वाटर गेट्स evaporated into the atmosphere. So this process of loss of water with the help of stomata is known as transpiration. Now look at this diagram. Water is absorbed by the roots, which we have discussed in previous class. From roots, it travels to the rest part of the plant with the help of xylem vessels. Now look at here the movement of water. This is shown by the arrows. Now this water is going to the each and every part of the plant, even up to the leaf surface. Now at the leaf surface, if there is excess of water, it gets evaporated to the atmosphere through the tiny pores present on them, which are called as stomata. Now what is the importance of transpiration? अब आप ये भी सोच सकते हैं कि excess water से छुटकारा पाने की या उसे remove करने की जरूरत क्या है? Plants can store that water for further use, for future use. अब water तो कोई waste चीज है नहीं, बाद में use की जा सकती है. Then what is the importance of transpiration? Why do they need to transpire? फिर उन्हें जरूरत क्या होती है transpiration करने? So the answer is transpiration plays a very important role in absorption of water. यानी transpiration होने की वजह से ही plants water absorb भी कर पाते हैं. That means कि plants यानी roots के through जब water absorb करते हैं तो वो water absorb करने के लिए जो pressure build up होता है, that is just because of transpiration. As the loss of water generated in the parts of the plant causes a suction pull, means वो एक pressure create कर देता है जिसकी help से water आपका roots में absorb हो पाता है and it moves upwards. अब हम सोचेंगे कि आपका हमेशा water root से ऊपर की तरफ कैसे जाएगा? What is the pressure behind? The pressure is just because of the transpiration. It works like a motor. जैसे आपकी पानी की मोटर होती है. It helps to water pull towards your water tank. आपकी water motor क्या करती है? पानी को आपके टैंक तक पहुंचाती है. It creates pressure. Similarly, transpiration creates a pressure which helps water to move through the part of the plants. So it helps in absorption of water. अगर ये suction pull ना हो, अगर ये pressure create ना हो, तो water आपका roots में absorb रहेगा और roots तक ही रह जाएगा. It won't move to the top of the plant. Secondly, transpiration also helps in cooling down the plants. Transpiration also helps in cooling down the plants. So it works like sweating. जैसे हमारी body में sweating होती है, like excess of water along with the waste products helps in cooling down of our body. जब ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है तो ज़्यादा sweating होती है और हमारी body cool down हो जाती है. Similarly, transpiration also helps in cooling down the plants. ये भी उनकी एक तरह से क्या है? Sweating, जिसकी help से plants का temperature कम हो जाता है. अभी देखते हो आपके plants, like अगर आपको 2 घंटे धूप में खड़ा कर दिया जाए, you will be sweating, आपके headache हो जाएगा और आपको चक्कर आएंगे. But trees, they keep on standing in the sun just because of transpiration, which helps in cooling down their bodies. So transpiration plays very important role in water absorption as well as cooling down the plants. Now these are the transportation systems which we have discussed, that there are two transport systems which are functional in plants and we call them vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. So water and minerals are taken up by the roots and through xylem it moves to the various parts of the plant. Secondly, phloem, another vessel which helps in transportation of sugar. That means food which is prepared by the leaves. तो उस फूड को सारे पार्ट्स तक पहुंचाने का काम phloem करता है.